832. This is from Temp-tations, and this is an elevated platter in old world and floral lace. Now, when it comes to the world of Temp-tations, we love our sets, and we have a beautiful set coming up a little bit later on. But this is one of those single serving, single presentation pieces that we always ask for on social, and we have it here today. Now, we also have Lisa Lessort with us, which makes
Mary.
my heart very happy.
How
Hi,
are you,
my
friend?
You look lovely in your spring tones.
Why, thank you. I feel like an Easter egg, and I'm proud of it because it's almost here, right? We're so ready, aren't we?
I know, we are so ready. I mean, 18.8 million sets of Temp-tations are sold, and this is that either centerpiece platter or the big presentation platter, but not all platters are round.
That's exactly right. It's huge customer requests for these single pieces and for things that are going to multitask for you, like this great platter. You see the elevation there. We do the saturation of color right here on the floral lace, that gorgeous and gray pattern. I love that shot because you see the scalloping. That really gives it that classic, elegant design. But notice this is a well design, so it's an elevated platter, but it's a baker, it's a bowl, and with 15 inches each way, it's that presentation piece that's wow on your table.
It's beautiful. You know what, two easy payments of $15.24. You can bump it to $6 if you would like.
Wow.
But the price tag, if you use your Q card, you can bump it to $6.
Love that.
Really great way to shop. Now, I know we have different colors to show everyone, but these are the two most popular patterns in the Temp-tations line.
That's exactly right. So the one I was just showing you was the floral lace blue. And then I want you to see here where we have the gorgeous hand painting on the inside. I'm going to tip it, you guys, so you can just see there's the color that you're actually choosing. So there's the floral lace red. Then we have the cranberry. Next to the cranberry is going to be the green. Here's the eggplant. Like, I could see turning this into a huge Easter basket.
5 dozen in the eggplant.
Other people think the same.
That was a good idea.
And then there's that light blue again. See that color right there? There's where it all is.
Also 5 dozen in that light blue.
Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the chocolate. Here's the spice and floral lace, and here's that classic black, and what a beautiful gift this would be. Lovely. Housewarming, wedding, shower. Then when we come down, we have our second most popular pattern, that is Old World. You'll see how gorgeous the saturation is on the outside and the inside. Roping detail, here's confetti. Mary, beautiful spring look right there.
There are fewer than 100 in the confetti.
And I have to be honest, I don't know when we have this coming back in, just honestly.
I haven't seen anything about it, so I don't know either.
Here's the blue, here's the red, here's the cranberry. That's just your deeper red tone. That gorgeous green, which just screams spring. Here's the eggplant. Then we have the classic black.
Ooh, 5 dozen in that eggplant.
Oh my gosh, Mary. Okay, black. And then there's what Mary collects, the spice. And then at the very end, we have the brown.
3 dozen in that Old World spice.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay,
so keep in mind too, this is the first day this year that it has been presented on Easy Pay. This is also a situation where the Easy Pay goes away at the end of the day. Now, Lisa is going to the oven, and it's a good reminder for all of us that yes, this is a beautiful presentation piece. This is a great piece that we can keep out on the counter. However, this is a piece that can still go in the oven. It can still go into your dishwasher, and wow, can it handle a plate of nachos.
And that's what I love about it, the versatility of this piece, because it has a great well design, the great depth, and the 15 inches all the way around. I can bake in the oven up to 500 degrees, so I can do my nachos. I could put cold salads in here, like a big 15 pounds of potato salad. And by the way, when I'm not using it, it's a beautiful hand-painted piece of stoneware.
What's up here?
Oh, did you know it's National Basket Weave Day?
On March 13th?
On March 13th.
What is this? Yum. What are we getting a sneak peek of right here?
That might be a pedestal bowl. Not so pretty. We've never done it before.
That looks like a pretty basket weave little pedestal bowl right there.
Isn't that so pretty? I love how basket weave matches back and forth. And by the way, see that right there, you guys? I love that shot because you can see, no matter how you look at this piece, there's hand painting all the way down on the top and the bottom of this platter.
You know, I want you to keep in mind as we look at these beautiful presentation pieces that I know Passover begins at sundown on April 19th. Easter is April 21st. Mother's Day is May 12th. Father's Day is June 16th, and so on and so forth. When it comes to all of the different holidays that are coming just around the corner, this is that platter that traditionally it's in an oval or a big rectangle, but look at how pretty the round adds to this gorgeous presentation.
I know. So think of everything you can do with this. Everything from gorgeous cakes over here. What an incredible just piece to put on the center of your table or leave on your buffet. Come over here. Let's check out the Easter bread, because remember, you can bake right on here too. But what I love about this is a single piece with this amount of versatility. When we look at the ledge, we did a low country boil. So, I mean, it's crazy that one piece will take you from everyday to holiday, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, fancy to just kind of your ordinary day.
So over Easter weekend, we're having a big family reunion at my parents' house.
Oh, you are?
We are, and we're going to have a big low country boil day.
Mare, that would be perfect on your spice.
My gosh, we're going to have crawfish everywhere. I cannot wait.
I love that.
So we have some popular colors in the show happening right now, but overall, of the 2 patterns that we have available, floral lace is the most popular, so we should show again.
Absolutely. And again, it's that nice big platter, but you're never going to want to tuck this away because on its own, it stands. It's gorgeous. Yeah. So the floral lace blue, and I'm going to tip it so you can see, there's the color that you collect, and you get to see it when you display it on your table. Then we have that beautiful red. Here's the cranberry. Here's the green.
Ooh, last call in cranberry.
Okay, got it, that green. And then over here is the eggplant, really pretty. Light blue, chocolate, spice, and then we have the classic black.
Floral lace black is always a popular choice. To your point, it's a great gift for weddings.
I love that.
If you're not sure what their color choices are, go with the floral lace black. It's gorgeous.
Absolutely.
And then in the old world.
In the old world, here's the confetti. Again, beautiful maybe on your Easter or your Passover table. Over here, we have the old world blue, the red, here's the cranberry, the green, the eggplant, the black, the spice, and the brown.
Lovely. You know what? First day this year presented on Easy Pay. We have 2 of them, $15.24.
Wow.
To be able to get this home. You know what would look great on this elevated platter?
Tell me.
7 pounds of mini meatballs.
I heard it's maybe
National Meatball Day.
Oh my gosh.
Now we're waiting for National Basket Weave Day.
That's
coming up
true.
on March 13th.
Yes.